In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to become agent on Lollipop live streaming platform. I want to first of all say thank you to all the people that pick interest in my previous video where I asked if you are interested, let me know. I don't take your engagement for granted. So for you to become agent on Lollipop live streaming platform, as at when I'm filming this video, because the app is still new, they are still building on it, you need to be agent in other existing platform. That is very important, because as of now, there's no link that you can click to become agent, but rather is the people that are on the platform, that's the owners or the workers, they are the one that will make you agent. So you are to go to their DM, which I'm going to show you how you can get their contacts in this video. So you reach out to them and tell them that you want to become an agent. So they will tell you to quit your agency. They can even remove you from your agency without even you applying, as at when I'm creating this video. Then the second thing is you must show them prove that you are an agent in other platform, so that you will not just become agent and become diamond. So let's go to the practical aspect of this video. So right here on Lollipop, once you come in to the Lollipop platform, you are going to see all these flyers that is flying. You can see agency hiring. So you just click on this agency hiring and you are going to see contacts of people that can make you agent as of now. So please, anytime you want to become agent, don't just use this contact, come and check. So, and if this is not there, if they have updated the platform and there is need for you to click on a link to become an agent, you just check the description of this video and the pin message so that I can drop link. But as of when I'm creating this video, you would have to go through the platform, and this can change because these are just workers. They can change them at any time. So whenever you want to go to the platform and get this contact, so I'll just screenshot and show you here. So that is how you become agent on the Lollipop live streaming platform. So I'm going to do video on how to become agent on Bolo Up as well, and I'm creating a video. In fact, I've created the video, it will go live too, on ways you can earn money as a live streamer, the things that I've done that make me to get earn thousands of USDT in a month and all that. So if you are interested, let me know in the comment section, so that the moment that video is up, I will reply you with the link to that video. Hope to see you in my next video. Hope you have liked this video. Bye.